Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Bailey made a request in the comments for A.O. Smith. Thank you, Bailey, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. A.O. Smith is a S&P 500 company within the specialty industrial machinery. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 5.7%. Earnings growth, 10.3%. Earnings estimates, 8%. Return on capital, 19.15%. Debt to free cash flow, 0.39 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 1.67%. Payout ratio, 35.1%. Growth rate, 16.65%. Growth years, 10 years. That gives A.O. Smith 9 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, A.O. Smith is fairly valued. What's your thoughts on A.O. Smith and a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. Also, please consider subscribing and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.